Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Here on the XRP chart, we're still holding above critical Fibonacci support, which is located at $1.21. Quick reminder for those who have been with us for a while, but also as an info for new viewers. The idea is that we are currently working on a wave 4 correction here on the XRP chart. That correction started in January. We have support with support at $1.55 and $1.21. These levels are not surprising. They've been on the chart already for months. And as long as the $1.21 level is holding, which is a key support for the idea that this is a wave 4 correction. But if it's really over, or at least if we can avoid another low, then the market should soon rally higher towards $5, $5.65. Those would be the next upside targets to watch. At the same time, one more low is actually preferred on the smaller time frame, just because I have only seen 3 waves up from the low. And also, if this entire correction is already done, well, it would have to be some kind of a more complex pattern. The way forward would then have to be very complex, because so far, the way this looks, the C wave down, highlighted here in yellow on this time frame, the C wave ideally would get another low, at least based on what we normally see in the chart. So therefore, the fact that a low is in or could be in is not the preferred interpretation. Now let's take a quick look at the smaller time frame for XRP. So the price is still not breaking above the $2.17 resistance. So you might recall, like I've been telling you for the last week or so, that the market should reach the area around $2.17. So yeah, there was some resistance for the short-term bearish count, the yellow scenario, and it is possible that now the 5th wave to the downside has started. However, I don't have much confidence in this scenario. Therefore, I have shown here in blue also the idea of a potential diagonal pattern. However, you might know that if you watched previous videos, the 3rd wave highlighted here as part of the blue scenario, the 3rd wave, which could be currently unfolding, should reach normally, minimally, the 138% extension at $2.34. We are not there. So ideally, to view it as a 3rd wave in a larger diagonal, but to really call it a viable 3rd wave, I need to see the price reach 234. And then we still need another 4-5 pattern, but then we have finally a 5-wave move up. Now, at the moment, this is a bit of a wait-and-see situation. I mean, if the yellow scenario is playing out, which would be the short-term bearish one, really, the $2.25 level, the last high, would be a reasonable stop for a short trade, I think. Just telling you what is generally reasonable. If you're trading these time frames here, you have to be super skilled and well... Yeah, you have to be super skilled. You have to have your risk management spot on, and you have to understand that the microstructures don't present a really clear setup right now, at least no classic Elliott wave setup. But yeah, I think the blue scenario still has a chance, but any break below that last low here at $1.91 would, I think, increase probabilities the yellow scenario forms one more low before then a more substantial low could form indeed in the area around $1.55 to $1.33. So these would be the next levels to watch in case the market dips a little bit lower as part of the wave 5 in yellow. Yeah, just a quick update about XRP. I mean, it's really not moved over the last few days, so I'll keep it short. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.